Snooky. You just want me to eat it off the bottom right now? Cut to the chase. So what do you think that Kona's gonna be, Alyssa?
I don't know. He kind of acts like a girl, but like he's got an attitude like a boy. I don't know.
So we have no clue. What do we think about Snooky? Are you a boy or a girl, Snooky?
What do you think he is?
So they are eating ice cream, and at the bottom, if it is a boy, they will find blueberries, and if it's a girl, they will find strawberries. Oh my gosh.
You just want us to eat off the bottom?
Are you ready to find out, Alyssa, if Kona's a boy or a girl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god! He's a boy! Woohoo!
Kona!
Kona's a boy!
You're a boy! Let me see. It's so fun. Where's all the blueberries? There they are. Snooky's turn. Snooky, are you a boy or a girl?
Oh, he's a boy!
A boy! Blueberries. Isn't that fun that Kona's a boy?
Yeah.
Are you a boy, Kona? Kona? Don't be shy. Oh, there you go. Are you a boy, Kona? I'm so excited. I thought you were a girl. But you're a boy. He does say a couple words. So we got 2 boys and 2 girls down here. Ducky and Carrot are girls. We're having our gender party. I just got a text from my neighbor that she has newspapers for us. You guys having fun? Got the 2 boys. They didn't want to eat right now. You guys being stinkers? So we brought out some more of our flock for this fun gender reveal party. Ducky the Quaker. We have Chia, Papaya, and Asahi, my turquoise green cheek conure. Is that super yummy, guys? What a fun day.
I think that's a yes, because...
They were saying yes?
Yum, 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 yum.
I know. Yummy quinoa, bananas, oranges, peas. Look at Chia. Chia, you're always such a superstar, aren't ya? Are you a superstar? You're the man. Chia's a boy, Papaya's a girl, and Asahi's a boy. They all get along. I don't have any issues with hormones. They don't want to do any kind of breeding or anything like that when they're housed together in their cage. They just get along and play, and they're a great crew together. Right, Papaya? She's such a sweet girl. She's so cute.
Good night.
Do you want some quinoa? I made some quinoa. Ducky the Quaker is enjoying her quinoa and bananas. I've got chia seeds, oranges, watermelon, peas, and strawberries. Oh, and I put hemp seed in there too. Little pieces of hemp, very healthy for your birds. Of course, we always have the chia seeds. The chia seeds are these little black seeds that you soak in water. Extremely healthy and beneficial for your birds. Hi, Carrot. Carrot is Chandler's son conure. How old are you, Chandler?
6.
You love your bird? Have her step out.
Step up.
So sweet. My children are raised with parrots, and I'm teaching them how to care for them properly.
He doesn't want me.
Yeah, Carrot doesn't like to be pet. A lot of sun conures do not like to be pet on their head. They're very cuddly, snuggly, tame, nice birds, but sun conures in general do not like to be pet on their head. That's not to say that there aren't some that love it, because every bird is an individual. So they're going to have their own preferences, but in general, there are certain characteristics that each species have.
This way. This way.
All right, tell her to step up. Hey, step up. Good girl, and then lift your finger up, because you are the director. You need to ask her what you would like her to do. You want to see if she wants some more quinoa?
Do you want some more quinoa?
Look at that mess. Birds are messy.
Do you want some more
Part of
quinoa?
having a bird.
Do you want?
Thanks for watching, guys. Look at it. It's a boy. We got 2 boys. What a fun day this was. Kids got to eat lots of ice cream and blueberries. We had the one set for if it was a girl with strawberries, so my other kids ate that one. Say have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and push the like button if you loved this video.